Hello, creative friends. This is Joy. So I decided to do another page in my new Dinah Weekly mixed media journal, and I decided to do this canvas. And I've got this packaging that I use to stamp the orange circles on there, and then I have this button thing that I'm using to stamp some little dots in yellow on this canvas. And I also use a tube to put some black circles on the page, on this art journal page. And then after I dry that, I went through my journal that I stamped all of my stamps in to try to decide what to put on this page. And I thought this elephant would be really cute. So I cut him out. Didn't cut right up to the line. I left a little bit of a white border around him. It's just easier for me to cut things out that way. So I didn't, want to show you the whole thing. But anyway, I cut the elephant out. And then I looked through this other journal where I did a bunch of stamping in, just try to find a quote or a word or something to add to this page. And then I have these other like little quotes that I have been collecting, so I found one that I decided to put on this art journal page. So the quote says, "You are never given a wish without also being given the power to make it come true," which I thought was cute and would go cute on this page. But the paper that this quote, the magazine that's from, the paper is so thin that, I have to try to glue it to something sturdier in order to apply it to my page here. So I'm just going through my tags and trying to find a tag that I can put it on that would go with this page. I kind of like the craft color because I thought that might go, but then I found this one tag with text on it and I thought, yeah, I really like that. That seems to go pretty well. So I decided to go with that one, and then I took some twine in order to tie a little bit of that around the top of the tag. And so I just fix that to the top. And then I get a glue stick and I glue the quote, which I needed to get a new glue stick. So that's about out, and glued that to the tag. And then I decided to put some brown ink around the tag and just kind of make it look a little more distressed. So I like the distressed look. And then I took my Aleene's tacky glue and glued the elephant down on this page, and I made sure this time that I put some wax paper behind the page so I didn't glue this page to the next like I did on a previous art journal page. And then I took my Artizo watercolor pens and colored in the elephant. So I decided to use like colors that were in the background so it all kind of went together, like the orange and the yellow. And so that's what I'm doing here is quickly coloring in the little elephant and his little umbrella, which I thought was super cute, with my Arteza watercolor pens. And you can skip through this part if you're not really interested in watching me go through coloring this. I know some people might be, like to watch it, and some people don't. I like to see how people color things. I'm certainly not no expert at it myself, but, I just do what I think seems, feels right and that I like. And so yeah, I added a little bit of green to it. I thought green would go with the colors. And then I colored the elephant this gray color. And the watercolor pens kind of leave a little bit of a scratchy kind of look, but oh well. I mean, the point is just, coloring it and having fun and, enjoying the process. So I try not to, overthink it. So I was thinking about coloring his little toenails a certain color, but I couldn't think of what color to color them, so I just went back and colored them with the gray, you know, and then added a little eye to the elephant and filled in some of the darker areas. It didn't seem to stamp as dark as it should have. And then I used these glue dots to glue the tag to the page. That's pretty much our art journal page for today. If you like this video, you can give me a thumbs up. You can also leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. Or you could subscribe to see more. I thank you for stopping by and watching my video. And we'll talk to you again later. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.